everyone, this is in front of me SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Feed on this device. So now we can see that the Google Discover is activated, and if you want to turn off the switcher, just hold for a while your device home screen and tap the home settings. Just the first section switcher you'll see here, show Google app. To turn it off, click once on the switcher, and now when we swipe with our finger to the right, we can see that the Google Discover is turned off successfully. If you want to turn it on again, just by the same way, hold the home screen, click here on the home settings and activate the switcher to show Google app. And now we can see that Google Feed enabled successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.